Moisturizer recommendation, this 9.9 sale. So this is how my skin looks like without the filter, and I have a reactive sensitive skin and I have damaged my skin barrier because of the products that I've been testing out recently. And my top recommendation is none other than the Ilion Ato Concentrate Cream. It has the three holy trinity to repair your damaged skin barrier, which is fatty acids, cholesterols, and ceramides. If you have oily skin, then go for the gel type. Next on my list is quite similar to the Ilion Ato Concentrate Cream, and this one is the Etude House Sunjong 2x Barrier Intensive Cream. This one has a much lighter consistency compared to the Ilion Ato Concentrate Cream, and it has a luxurious consistency. Sobrang hype up ni Ilion ngayon, and it's for a good reason, of course, but nag-overpriced din siya. So if you're looking for kind of close or similar, then I'll go for the Etude House. The next on my list is the Centella Unscented Recovery Cream. This one, guys, really helps my skin barrier to recover. This one has medicassicide, ceramide, allantoin, glycerin, all that good stuff. So this one is great also for those who have combo oily skin. The next is the Real Barrier Extreme Cream Barrier Solution. This one is made for those who have atopic dermatitis or those who have sensitive skin. This one has a rich consistency that seals in the moisture. And if you're looking for a gel hydrating moisturizer that you can use on a daytime, this one's from the Rovectin Clean is such a good one. From a local brand, this one from Quick Effects Cerebus Shield Cream is a good one as well. And of course, for my last recommendation, it's from the Saipo. This one is the True Dew Brightening Cream. This one has niacinamide and a great occlusive, which is a grapeseed oil that seals in the moisture into your skin. So, which one are you getting?